Ladies and gentlemen, the new Hyundai Santro is finally here and it has been priced at rupees 3.89 lakh rupees ex-showroom Delhi. This is the starting price for the base petrol variant, and the car is available with a 1.1 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine as well as a factory fitted CNG. And the petrol engine is capable of producing 68 horsepower at 5,500 rpm, while the CNG is good for 58 horsepower at 4,500 rpm. The ARAI fuel efficiency figures have been detailed at 20.3 kmpl for the petrol and 30.48 kmpl for the CNG. The car comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, or you can also opt for the company's own smart AMT system. It has been built on the K1 platform and gets 14-inch steel wheels, so sadly there are no alloy wheels. The company's aim with the new Santro was to merge the tallboy design with the normal hatch so that they get the practicality of a tallboy design while retaining the styling, and I think the company has pretty much got it. What do you think of the new design? Do let us know in the comments below. Once you get inside the car, you will notice the 7-inch infotainment system. This is a touchscreen infotainment system that is compatible with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. There is 235-litre boot space and you also get keyless entry. And to the delight of many Indians, there is a separate rear AC vent as well. The car comes with dual airbags with the driver airbag as standard, and there is ABS with EBD, which again is standard. The designing on the inside is also tasteful, and the MID looks great with the steering mounted controls. It's going to be quite easy to control the various functions that the car has to provide. So that was a quick look at the newly launched Santro. We will be driving the Santro shortly, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to catch the first drive review. If you liked what you saw right now, do hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions. Bye bye.